Hello, I thought I'd do a short video on my alarm clock. It's a GE74305D. It is it's the one I use every day. And it has a surprisingly good sound coming out of a clock radio. I've seen quite a few other videos on YouTube which tells me that this is a popular model back in the, I want to say, late 70s, early 80s, sometime in there. I personally use this for about 20 years now. The lighted dial still works, which is something that the diode, I guess, eventually burns out, I hear, but it still works. I can still see it at night. And the sound, like I said, is remarkably good coming from a GE, let alone a clock radio.
It's drafts for $3 featuring beers from Two Roads Brewery. Or grab a
Dave Matthews Band tickets for you. Yup, win them before you...
Got your Little League.
This is for you.
She was the winner of the Boston Tech.
It also has a nice, well, I usually wake up with it with the radio aspect because the tone is pretty abrasive for the alarm itself. That's the tone that it makes in the morning, so that's not the friendliest noise, but yeah, other than that, there's not much to it. It's all simulated wood cabinet. It does have AM. I don't use AM too much, but that's it. So if you see them on eBay, you can probably get them on eBay for about, I'd say anywhere from about $30 to $40, depending on the condition. And if you're into the flip clocks, I'd recommend this model. Seems to work better than some of the Panasonics I see out there. So other than that, that's the GE clock radio.